what is the most important lesson you have learned from your journey and how has it changed you?
You know, I'm 71 years old, and the most important lesson I've learned in my life is to never give up. I wanted to be an astronaut since I was a young boy, and it took me many years, 33 years, to make it to space. So I've learned I can do whatever I put my mind to, and I can accomplish whatever I want to. It takes hard work, it takes time, and it takes that persistence, that dream to keep you moving. So my message to the students is always work hard, do your best, never give up on your dream in life.